this is Jan Radu from StampingElegance.com. Thanks for joining me today. I thought I'd just jump in and show you the paper pumpkin kit that I've just received from Stampin' Up. I know I've had a few queries about the all-inclusive kits and how they actually work, so I thought I'd jump on, open it up and show you what you get and how easy it is to craft with. So it comes with this gorgeous little box. So this is the box of Sunshine paper pumpkin kit. This was exclusive and for a limited time only. I believe they are still available, but I don't know how much longer that will be. The status of the inventory is probably quite low at this point. So if you are interested, be sure to leave me a comment or get in touch and I can help you out with that. And the idea of this is inspired by Sarah Douglas from Stampin' Up. And the idea is that you craft from the box, you make the cards, but then you fill it with, you know, really fun, bright items just to brighten someone's day, and you gift it on. So that's the theory of the box, which I really love. And as you can see, it's a really nice package. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get. So inside the box, we get a Stampin' Spot, which is our basic black ink. We get the stamp set. So it's got some really nice sunshiny sentiments and the sun there and a really nice accent stamp. So that's a photopolymer stamp set. You get the instructions. Well, this is actually just a promotional flyer. So just also highlighting that you can get the mini paper pumpkin boxes from the catalogue so that you can use this to decorate those as well. So that's just a little flyer there. And then we can open up, so it's actually all wrapped in tissue paper, which is so nice because when you put your goodies in to pass it on to a friend or a loved one, you've got everything you need to rewrap it. So I'll open that up there. Just pop that tissue aside. So the theory is that we should have everything we need to create the cards in the kit, I think bar a block. So what they've done is they've left out the clear block just to keep the cost down, but most of us do have one of these in our stash. So this is just the D block. So let's open it up and have a look. Let's move the box out of the way. Cute as it is. I really like the way it's all packaged, so it's not going to move in shipping as well. The presentation's really nice. So I'm filming this on a beautiful bright Saturday afternoon, so it kind of suits the theme of the box of sunshine today. It's well and truly spring here in Perth. Okay, so we've got some, looks like little adhesive sequins there. So they're in a nice, they're the sequins without the holes too, which is quite sweet. They're a great colour. We've got a little pack of mini dimensionals there. And then we've got a set of envelopes. Are they all the same? Yeah, that's nice. They've got a really nice gold foil on the envelopes there. So I believe this makes it makes 8 cards, this kit. Then we've got some embellishments here, so these will just pop out. And most of the comments that I've received when I posted about this box was about this pineapple here, and it really is gorgeous. You can see the gold on there. That's so nice. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages of those die cuts. What have we got here? So we've got some accent pieces that you just pop out. You can see the scored lines there. So I've got 2 of those, and so this is a card base, so 2 of those card bases, and just another different sized embellishments and accent pieces there. So that's the labels for our sentiments. Oh, that's a great card base. I love that one. It's really sweet. And this is one that I received a lot of comments on as well. So this looks like a note card size. It's not quite our normal card size. Let's just have a look what we've got. Yeah, so normally our card size is 10.5 wide. So this is just shy of 11 centimeters wide. and 14 centimeters. So it's a slightly different shape, which is interesting. Yeah, and that one's nice too. So that's the assorted card bases, what we've got here. These are like, are they glue dots? I think they must be glue dots. And finally, the instructions. So you get this full color pamphlet. It shows you the 1, 2, 3, 4 designs. It also shows you how you can decorate the box before you gift it on as your box of sunshine. And then inside you've got step-by-step instructions on how to make each card. So that's really fun. What have we got here? Oh, this is a list of, so they are adhesive dots, those ones there. So this is just a list of what your kit includes. So as you can see, you've got the adhesive you need, you've got the ink that you need, the stamp set that you need. So all you really need to do is add the one clear block. So I think we should make a card. Which one should we make? Let's have a look. I think it has to be the pineapple. I really, really love that card. So I'm just going to pop that one up there. Hopefully that's in shot and you can see that one. And let's move everything else off to the side. So we are going to need, I love those colours, they're so bright. So we're going to need that sheet for the label there. I believe that's the card base. We're going to need that sheet for the accent piece. And of course we're going to need one of those, and we're going to need an envelope. So I can see already how quickly this card is going to come together, which is the whole idea of an all-inclusive kit. It's, you know, it's for beginner crafters, it's for crafters that are time poor. And if you just love the colours and you just want, you know, have a cup of tea, have some friends over, if you've all bought the kit or you share a kit and just make some really simple cards, it sounds like a great afternoon to me. Okay, so we'll start with our card base. I really should follow the instructions. Normally I'm just more of a visual person. These are quite general instructions too, so I'm just going to read them out and then we'll just use which ones apply for the first one. So stamp, die cut labels and card bases. So for this card that we're making here, the only stamping involved is the "You Are Loved" label. So obviously a bone folder is optional, but if you've got one on hand, you can just use that to smooth your card base down. So when I'm stamping with photopolymer, I always like to use my Stamp and Pierce mat. You just tend to get a better impression that way. And just peel that cover off the stamp set. And let's pick the label that we need for the card. So it just looks like a, what have we got? Just a banner. So they just pop out, as you can see, they pop out really easily. So we'll just pop that banner down, and then we've got the "You Are Loved" sentiment there. We can pop that on a block. You can pop that on a smaller block actually. It doesn't have to be this size if you've got a smaller block. I just like to line it up and then pick it up nice and straight, or as straight as I can. Okay, so when it comes to the Stampin' Spot, I'm just going to reach for my general scissors here. And we're just going to, I believe it is perforated, but I just think it's easier if you just come across here with your scissors, and then you can just open it up like that. Probably do the other side as well. It's not particularly delicate, is it, Jan? Okay, so we're just going to lightly tap. As always, I like to do a bit of a test, so I'm just going to bring some copy paper in. I just like to test the pressure, how the stamp is stamping, you know, is the ink juicy enough, etc. So we'll just do a few there. It's a brand new stamp, it's never been used before, so it probably needs a little love. I really love the thin font actually, it's quite fun. That's good. I love working with Stampin' Spots. They used to have them in every colour. Now they've just got a nice general assortment that you can purchase. They're particularly good with the Stamparatus. So we'll just go straight down and straight up. That looks great. So the next piece we're going to need for our card is the little black accent piece for under there. So are these adhesive? Oh, they are adhesive. Okay, right. So let's go one step back. We're going to do our pineapple first because our pineapple is obviously lower down, and then you've got the black adhesive label over the top and then the white one. Oh, sorry, that was off camera there. So what I think I'll do, because the black is adhesive, it's really going to need to be flat. So we're going to put our pineapple flat, our black piece flat, and then we'll pop the You Are Loved label up on dimensionals. And you know, these don't all have to be the same. You can have a play and try a few different things. So we'll just peel that one off. And where is our pineapple? So our pineapple is not adhesive. So I would suggest just using some Stampin' Seal to pop that one down. Just move that along to get the adhesive rolling. So we're going to pop that one somewhere like that. Then we're going to pop our black label across, something like, I'm going to use the gold line on the card base to get that one straight. And then the You Are Loved is just going to be slightly offset, so we'll just grab, I'm going to save this cute little dimensional and just use one that I've already got on the go. Yep. So we'll just pop that up. I'm going to use 3 for that. Okay, and then we're just going to offset that one, however visually that works with you. Oh, I like that, that looks quite good. And then having a look here, they've actually used a few sequins. Oh, they're after my own heart. I do love sequins. Actually, these are the first ones that I've had that don't have the holes in. So you get the look without the, you know, having to worry about the glue popping through, which is really nice. So they've got a big one, they've got 2 big ones and a small one. So you can just pop those off wherever you like. Another one down here somewhere. I always like to make sure they're not totally in line with each other. And I'm going to pop mine over here. And it's that simple. So that's the card. As you can see, they come together really quickly. And then you've got the gorgeous envelope that coordinates with that. So if you like the idea of really quick, really effective, bright cards, let me know. And if you need to place an order, I can help you with the Box of Sunshine Paper Pumpkin Kit. Like I said, it is for a limited time only and only while stocks last. So yeah, don't leave it too long. Get in and you can have a really nice afternoon crafting with these gorgeous bright colours. Just one other thing I will mention, I did touch on it before, but when you're gifting, when you're re-gifting the box, let me bring in those pieces again. Oh, how nice are they? So we've got our card bases. Where is that other? Ah, there it is. This is the piece I believe is designed to cover up your paper pumpkin. So essentially these are adhesive as well, beautiful wapes. So you just peel this one off and you can pop that on there, and then you can decorate it with, you know, a stamp or another one of the embellishments here. And that just makes a beautiful gift to brighten somebody's day. So thanks for joining me. I hope you liked that. If I can help you, let me know. I'd love you to subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Thanks again. Have a great day.